Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mario Kart version from Hot Wheels, and this is more specifically Bowser Jr. and this is the name of this particular kart is Flame Flyer. To be very honest with you guys, I never played Mario Kart. Yeah, I never did. So I played Mario when I was a kid. Even now I play Mario, on my phone. I mean, using emulators and all. But I never actually played Mario Kart. So the reason I bought this is I really wanted to see how the castings actually turned out. See, I never actually played, but I saw others play Mario Kart, in YouTube obviously. So I wanted to buy this, so I bought it. Again, one thing if you guys need to keep it in mind, there are two separate variations of the Mario Kart versions. This is the I think 599. Yeah, 599 version, and there is one more which is 799. That actually comes with that whatever their power ups or something like that. It has this the gliding mechanism, something like that. So each character comes with some kind of mechanism on top. So that is 799 if I'm not wrong. I honestly saw that and I thought, who would pay 799 for just for that addition. I really didn't see much uh, collector value on that. Obviously I'm not going to sell anything, but maybe fans might pick it up. As a collector, I really don't want to put that much money in those kind of castings. So I just wanted Mario and Bowser. Obviously I didn't there is no Bowser in the set. I mean, the Bowser Senior, if you may. So this is the Bowser Junior. So it had Mario, Baby Mario, Peach, Luigi, and I think Rosaline, if I'm not wrong, her name, the blue gowned girl name. So again, I really don't follow Mario's lore that much. Okay, so with that said, yeah, this is the entire set. See here, they actually put stickers on top of it. So I bought this from Amlis, like I told in that prelude video. So here you can see that blue dress, the blue car also here. That's what I was talking about. I saw the entire set, but I didn't want to buy the entire set. For me, it's waste of money. So I bought only these two, and the Bowser. That's it. Okay, I already took 2 minutes of the time. So let's unbox this now. Again, I bought this for MRP, not a penny more. So here's the card art, nothing special. It features all the characters at this point. Let me throw this away. So here is the casting itself. Okay, so out of the box, the casting actually looks really cool. Given the character is on this particular cart, and okay, this feels plastic. Is it? Okay, that is metal. Okay, but it does feel like plastic to me. The way it looks, the way it is painted. Okay, the body actually looks, I mean, feels plastic as well, because as you can see the paint scheme here, because if you paint something on top of the metal, it is not going to look exactly like this particular piece here. To me, it actually feels plastic. Wow, 599 for a plastic body. It's not expecting that from Hot Wheels. Yeah, that is plastic. That is not metal, guys. So the body is actually plastic and the chassis is only metal on this one. Because I didn't even feel heavy at all. So it has headlight detailing to it, which is good. It has, obviously the engine detailing here. It has tail light detailing here. It does have all the detailing to it, but I'm really disappointed it is not a full metal casting. Given the price we are paying, this is too much cost cutting, guys. I really hate this. So okay, the tires are actually plastic. These are not rubber. She guys are wondering, again, another bummer. So how much we paid for this? 599, right? Okay. Only thing which looks good in this particular, I mean, the casting obviously looks entirely as a whole, it looks really nice. It looks really good. I'm not going to deny that. But given the character here, Bowser Jr. here, he looks really good. So these part are like, like rubbery plastic. I don't know if you can remove something from here. Nothing. You can't do anything. Okay. Let's weigh this casting. See, if you really love Mario, if you want to collect the entire set, then go ahead and buy it. Okay, this is somewhere around this mainline weight only. It is not even crossing 40 grams. Again, only the chassis is metal in this one. Rest everything is plastic. Let's see if it rolls. Given that it has plastic wheels, I'm hoping that it would roll really well. Yeah, at least it does that job. Okay, it rolls really well. But honestly, I really don't give a damn about rolling aspect of any car, to be honest. If it rolls, then it's fine. If it not rolls, I really don't have any problem with it because I'm going to collect it and going to keep it in a showcase like this. I'm not going to play with literally all the castings. I'll just open it and open all the parts and admire it very few times, every now and then. But I'm not going to play with it like this. So let's rate this casting. Man, this is really hard. So I am taking 2 out of 10 because it doesn't have rubber wheels and it has plastic body. So 8 out of 10. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.